right, everybody, welcome to the class today. Today, we're going to learn about creating a Facebook page. I know so many of you would like to create that official page where you can market your products, where you can show off your designs, where you can, do something official other than your personal page that your friends and family are following you. But this is a page that you want to create, or you have created with the purpose of representing your business entity. Let's say you're a church, you have business, you are a restaurant, you have a styling business, you have a lipstick business, and let's, for example, say you are a lipstick business called uh, Dangerous Reds, and so we're gonna try to create this page Dangerous Reds. So right now, as you can see, I'm in my personal Facebook page, and we're gonna go onto the left hand side of your Facebook personal Facebook page. Then you're gonna go where your name is. See my name, Andrew Paul Kizito. Then you're gonna go all the way down, and then you're gonna see a subtitle says Explore, and underneath it there is Pages. You all can see Pages. Now, what you want to do is click on that word Pages, and just wait for a second or two, and you're gonna look for a place. So it's gonna bring some of the pages that I've liked. As you can see, like pages, but our interest today is to create a brand new page. Okay, so you're gonna go look on towards your right upper right hand side of the page, and you're gonna go find where it says create page. Then click on that, create page. Then you give it a second or two, and then it's gonna bring the place where it's gonna bring different kinds of pages. So what we see on the screen, it says business or brand, community or public figure. So depending on what you're trying to portray online, it really doesn't make a lot of a big difference, but it's just gonna make it a little easier, because for every kind of page you're creating, there's gonna be different things in that category. So for the purpose of this training video, we are creating a business page for a lipstick line called Dangerous Red. Okay, so what we're going to do is go to the business or brand, because what you're trying to do is to create a business or a brand. So if you were trying to open a page for you're an artist, you are a singer, you are a public speaker, you would go here where it says community or public figure, and they will have different settings that will help you to promote your page to that effect. So back to business, we're going to go to the business or brand and press get started. Remember, we are creating a page called Dangerous Red. So it's going to say page name. I'm going to type it in there, Dangerous Red. Dangerous Red. Make sure you capitalize where you have to capitalize. Then it's going to ask for the category. What is the category? And then you just click in the in the space, and usually it will bring a list of a list of categories that associates with the kind of page you're trying to create. But since it's not bringing anything for us to select from, I will go ahead and put something like beauty. Okay, so once you put beauty in, or you press a letter, it's gonna bring a list of things. So you can just scroll, depending on what you're trying to create. You can just scroll all the way down, and as you can see here, there is health and beauty. So to make it easier on yourself, just go ahead and click on health and beauty, and then press continue. It takes a minute or two while you wait. Okay, it's loading, page is loading, and there we go. Then if you have a picture on your desktop, it's gonna it's going to give you the option to upload a picture right there. If you don't, you have the option to press skip. So I do not think I have a picture for for the dangerous red. So for that reason, I'm going to skip. And then I'll show you in a minute or two that Facebook will give you they will assist you with either a single letter. It says dangerous red. They'll probably give us the option to use D or DR. It's just going to be one single letter, D. So you have a cover photo. That is something else that you would have to create using an outside source. So we don't have that as well. That would be appropriate for our page. So I'll go skip again. Okay, skip, and then just give it a second or two or three, and there we go. So we have already created dangerous red. And so that is the first step to our video, creating a Facebook page for your business, for your brand. And so since we do not have a picture to put up there, so if somebody came up to dangerous red, they will they won't be able to see anything. And so if you have a picture or a cover, I'm using a laptop, but it will be the same thing if you're using your phone, as most people do these days. You just go up here, press add a cover, click on it. Bad. Just gotta be patient with these things. As you can see, add a cover. But for you to add a cover, okay, you say choose from videos. If you have a video that you want to use, you can do that. If you have a photo or video, you can do that. Or if you have create a slideshow. But usually if you have pictures in there, then you have the opportunity to create a slideshow. So here we go. Let's go here on the upper left hand side. It says add picture. So it's the same concept, same idea. They want you to add a picture so that people will be able to identify your page from other pages, because I'm pretty sure there's probably another dangerous red somewhere else. But the kind of picture you choose is going to set your page apart from others. So here, so this is it. So we have created our Facebook page. So the next part we're going to record, the next part that you're going to see is going to be how to add pictures and profile pictures to your page. And then we'll also talk about how to add or invite friends from your personal Facebook page to like your page, and then they can also share it with others. All right, thank you so much for watching our training video on how to create an official Facebook page. This is Andrew, and thank you so much for watching. Please share this video with somebody else, and together we're gonna create great things. Bye bye.